Made in USA, drones are transforming industries, enhancing security, surveillance, and operations. From emergency response to industrial or drone transportation, and UAV's THS inspections are drones' cutting-edge solution. But are your drone security systems truly secure? Every connected drone is a potential target for hackers. Trojan Horse Security offers comprehensive services to safeguard your drones. Our team identifies and neutralizes threats before they can compromise your operations. With Trojan Horse Security, you get real-time threat intelligence. Trust us to keep your drone operations secure. At Trojan Horse Security, we don't just identify threats, we obliterate them with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled expertise. Penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, visualization, vulnerability assessment, risk assessment, chart for drone operations, drone risk assessment, web application, security interface in action, web application, security code review, policy and procedures. Our experts design, implement, and manage comprehensive security solutions, ensuring your drone systems are impenetrable. Our testing is tailored for the most critical industries. Energy and utilities, law enforcement and government agencies, Welcome to Trojan Horse Security, where we provide cutting-edge cybersecurity services to protect your drones across various industries. Our elite penetration testing and vulnerability risk assessments uncover weaknesses in commercial, industrial, military, and personal security drones before cybercriminals can exploit them. We simulate real-world attacks to ensure your drones, whether for business or security personal use, are fortified against any threat. Comprehensive assessments allow us to identify and fix security flaws proactively, leaving no stone unturned in securing your drone operations. Enhance your security framework with expert-driven policies and procedures tailored to your specific industry needs. Trojan Horse Security, your ultimate shield in the digital battlefield, ensuring your drones and UAVs are always secure. The future of security is here. The risks are real. Don't wait for a cyber attack to strike. Call Trojan Horse Security now, 202-507-5773. Visit www.trojanhorsesecurity.com. Contact us at trojanhorsesecurity.com. Trojan Horse Security military-grade cyber defense for a new era. Protect your UAVs before hackers, governments, or especially militants take control of your drones, causing chaos or destruction. Trojan Horse Security, www.trojanhorsesecurity.com. Contact us at trojanhorsesecurity.com, 202-507-5773.